going on, guys? Owen Nick. This is one of Alen Millard's from the UK. 76 Kawasaki 855 cylinder. Not a triple. 5-cylinder. Alen makes some crazy stuff. Here's his Kawasaki V8 1600 with a KZ. I don't even know how he does it. And he does it in his home shop. Guy's just very talented. And all his stuff runs. I've seen him riding it. Seen him riding them, so they all run. He builds some crazy bikes. 145 miles an hour. 150 horsepower. Pretty crazy. Here's another one of his. The V-twin Honda SS100. 70 miles an hour. It's pretty crazy, man. But this one's really crazy. It's not very fast though, 135 miles an hour. I think the stock bike did 125 miles an hour. A lot of work for no more power. He has a lot of them though. You can check out. He's got a YouTube page. I'll give you the spelling of his name. Millard. He's got a pretty interesting YouTube channel. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that share button for me, man. I appreciate it.